My beautiful and amazing people, hey, make una come hear tori o. Matter don full basket. Story here and there. Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey sup, my people? No be small thing o. Una see dis Somadina Adinma wey dey talk say e be Reji personal person as at when she bin never marry Ipa. Wey be say the very moment wey Reji marry Ipa, people come start dey drag the mother lege like I pass my neighbor generator, saying that mama Reji, wetin happen wey you go allow Reji come go marry dis old man, whereby Somadina dey there, you no allow Somadina make im and Regina continue, whether they go later marry, make dem continue their acting based on say the both of them na right from small dem start dey act dey come, and they are good with each other, very okay. The Somadina e fine, Regina Daniel too fine, so and they are all striving to become a better person. Wetin come happen wey you come allow your daughter to go marry old man? Wey dem even dey talk am say Somadina vex on that particular day of the wedding, e no even come out at all. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? When dem dey talk that one dey go, dey talk am dey come, una no talk say there is a message and a flower, a beautiful gift wey dem send come give Regina Daniel, wey she post at an early hour of yesterday. Now as she post am, she cover am but end show for the paper, whether na the beginning or na the end, na im that end dey, na only God na im know. Now online in-laws come dey talk am say that end wey dey for the paper say na Somadina na im the end, na Somadina na im write am, na im know wetin im write for there, na the last bit be that, this one that one, say na Somadina, say na im handwriting be that. But people wey say dem know am say na Somadina be that. While some say say because they no understand how come ever since Reji comot for Ipa house, Somadina dey share her post, e dey like any of her post wey she post, and e couldn't wait for her. E tear race go give another woman belle immediately Regina Daniel marry. Why did he rush to go give another woman belle if he know talk say im go come back to the relationship? Then as for Reji again, so meaning if the information is true, say na true, na im be say she can't go back to her vomit, e no dey possible now. Say she go come go back to the same thing wey she criticize, because that time she been talk am say nothing o, say dem no get anything, na brothers and sisters na dem just be, say nothing like that. Why people wey know dem talk say dem dey together? Because that thing e really pain Somadina that time wey Ipa, dem come say Ipa go warn Somadina make e no go close to Reji again. Dem no even wan see them together until when dem come do that film wey come trend, wey be say people wey watch am talk say na their love life story na im dem do for that film, My First Love. Una know whether una still remember. If una remember, make una drop am for the comment section. People wey watch am, make una confirm am for the comment section. So My First Love na im be the title of the movie. So when dem come act am together, everything come dey like say na their life story na im dey act for that film, and na im make one of the reason wey make the movie e sell well that time. E sell no be small. People come dey like na wow. So now wey this guy come dey go dey like Reji post, e dey share her post, dey follow her back to back. Is it that they are back together? Is it that they want to now continue from where they stop? So what will now happen to Somadina woman wey im go give belle, even though they say he never marry the lady and he no promise the lady marriage, say na belle na im join them. So for the fact say he never marry the lady, is it that he want to now come and continue from where he passed stop by coming back to Reji? Abi wetin be this wey we dey see like this? So could this be love again? And Regina You kuma, you no see who you go back to. Na somebody na. Oh, hey, no be small thing o. Na so people start dey exaggerate. People start dey talk left, right, front, back and center. I am like, come o. For the fact that Ipa, when Regina Daniel still dey for Ipa house, e allow her to come act film with Somadina, shows that they fit no get anything in common, because Ipa no go ever gree make Regina Daniel go where im know say they go drag am with am. Wey make in ever since Regina Daniel dey for that house until she comot, we never ever see her for wedding wey na only she at ten d before. Even burial, we no dey see Regina Daniel. Any social gathering, you hardly see her, because im know say as beautiful as she is, anything make her comot go that wakama. No how wey she no go see person wey go do her ace, oos, ace. Even if she is married, wey some men dey wey be say na married women na im dey their eyes. They no mind, they go still wan kolobi am, achieve am, put that their third leg for inside the hole, make dem know say they don achieve something. So last if to say they get something and Ipa suspect something, if for no gree make dem add that their film wey dem produce, wey dem call am My First Love. So people now come dey add 1+1 wey be 2 together, say talk, make we dey wait o, make we see. Definitely, as she don come out come reveal say she don get lover, which automatically mean say all the rumour wey dey circulate the media space say she don get lover, she don come finally confirm am now say true she get lover. So no how, one day na here wey we go still sit down, they go come confirm am say na so person, na so person. If na Ipa, because some people say that name wey dem write for the letter say na na Ned Nwoko be that. Why some say na Somadina, some say no na Prince Otto Eze, some say they just dey talk different things. Some say na that her man friend wey she go get for America when she been travel go for her druggy test. So many speculations here and there, but make una chillax, make una no dey in a rush, make una no dey in a hurry. Say na for this internet space now we still dey, Regina Daniel go still carry the main person wey dey in charge come still come drop am for us. Na here we go dey take congratulate her. But last people, wetin just dey pain people be say Somadina bin tear go marry, go give another woman belle. But na belle na im give the woman, e no marry the woman. So nothing still change, nothing mega. If na him na Regina Daniel wan go back to, I don't think anything is wrong there, because she don check am go, check am come. Na person wey be say dem start together na im still be the best, because una know say no be today na im Somadina and Regina Daniel dey start. No be today na im dem start. Dem dey do their children play from beginning. There are people wey be say they don know their self well. They know their likes and dislike. They know what they want. They know what when person dey vex and when person no dey vex. So all those kind things put together. That time wey they dey drag the Regina Daniel, say they drag the mama, say madam, you don fuck up. Why you go allow this girl go marry old man? See im boyfriend dey. That time they dey talk that one. Nobody talk say why this girl you no tell her make she go school. Why you no tell dis girl make she go learn work apart from acting, make she get another thing wey she dey do with herself? Why be say na marriage na you put for front? Nobody dey even dey talk about that one. Na that marriage just dey pain people. That marriage na im just be a thing of concern to so many people. But thank God say as she later marry Ipa, she later go the school for which she don collect certificate, bachelor in wetin sef, make una remind me for the comment section. She don collect her certificate, don achieve am, come show everybody say toh she don get this one o, based on say online in-laws don drag dem well, don drag her say wetin she don achieve from Ipa place na im make Ipa come gree make she go obodo oyibo go study, wey she come out with result at the end of the day. So last whether na Somadina, whether no be Somadina, I don't think anything is wrong there. She is no longer a child. She is 25, abi 24 going to 25, abi na 25 going to 26. I no really know the actual years. Make una drop am for those wey dey follow the years dey come, because the thing dey confusing. She is no longer a child. She should know her left from her right. She should know what she want and go for it. And the Somadina too, no be small pikin na im be. If in dey like dey share dey follow her bumper to bumper, e dey everywhere so tey online in-laws don suspect am say dis one wey im dey everywhere scatter for everywhere like dis, is it that e want to come back to reji abi na wetin make am dey everywhere like dis? If e see am say na dat one na im go favour am, na dat one go work for am pass, fine and good, make im go ahead. Abi guys, what do you think? Do you think that for her to have if she try and go back to her vomit, they go really disrespect her there? Abi, what are your take? Make una come, make we interact. Give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. And remember your humble get gifted gist. I'm going to bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.